You know, for me wanting to piss off my neighbors today, it's definitely the way to do it. We got one goal. We're gonna piss off the neighbors. Ooh.
Oh my God.
Can I get a?
Oh yeah.
My neighbors are gonna hate me.
Oh God, here come the cops. What did you do?
Got this, bread. I would say it's been at least 2 months since I've washed this truck, because we're almost towards the end of January, and I went to the Toys for Tots show the first week of December, and the truck probably hadn't been washed for at least a month before that, so it might even be 3 months. It might be 3 months since this truck has been washed. And I woke up early this morning and I just, you know what, screw it. Let's wash. I got out here, you know, old school fashion. You know, we got old school. We got a bucket, some Dawn dish soap, which I probably shouldn't be using. All my detailing friends are gonna be screaming at me in the comments. And a water hose. I mean, we're just gonna get out here and clean the damn thing. So you guys might be able to tell here the difference of how dirty this truck is. So let me get away from the shadow. Right here is what I've started to clean, and this is what hadn't been cleaned. I mean, you can see it's so disgusting. And these wheels are so scratched up now, just from me kicking around dirt on them. And I mean, but that's part of it. I've had these wheels on here for about 2 years. We're in the process of ordering some new wheels for this one and the Tahoe anyway, so these are gonna become rollers. And that's part of being a YouTuber. I mean, we use the truck, we do dumb stuff with the truck. I mean, so it's not like I try and make this a pristine show truck or anything. Now, I've already cleaned this one and the back one back there. I haven't started on the truck itself, but we're definitely making some progress. It's cleaner than it was. Some of this is where the wheels are starting to fade. I mean, like I said, they're 2 years old, but my goal by the end of this is to at least have it presentable. And then maybe I'll get Matt or somebody to come by and do one good detail on the outside so I can actually, you know, make it presentable again. But I'll give you guys an update when I'm done. I'm definitely no detailer, but the bow tie cleans up nice. That silver definitely has some flake and some sparkle to it when it's all cleaned up. Not too often that we get to see it all cleaned up. So this is a special occasion. Hell yeah. You know, for me wanting to piss off my neighbors today, it's definitely the way to do it. I picked the right guy for the job, that's for sure. I also just stepped in that big old pile of dog shit too. How you piss off the neighbors right there. So for those of you that didn't see the video yesterday, we got something new. Let me put it this way. We got something for the truck in the last video that I'm going to use for one reason and one reason only, and that's to piss off all of my neighbors and the HOA. Because for the last couple of months, we've been going through so much shit with these people, I figured I might as well fight back a little bit. So the goal today, and for the foreseeable future, piss off the neighbors, piss off the HOA. And we're starting today. We're starting today by welding on a super obnoxious tip to the Silverado today. That's not it though. This is the one that we're putting on. So for those of you that saw the video last time, huge shout out to Justin. I'm gonna put his Instagram on the screen right here. But Justin actually gave me a 4 to 10 inch tip that's going to be going on the Silverado today. Now I've got Shamar over here. Shamar is gonna be our welder. He does all of my welding for the truck. And we are going to be welding on this 4 to 10 inch exhaust tip today. So all we have to do, I mean, this is gonna be I say it's gonna be a super easy process, and it should be, but you never know. We can all, historically on this channel, we always run into difficulties with anything that we do. But we're gonna have to weld on this 3 to 4 inch adapter, and then literally the tip will bolt right onto the end of the 4 inch side to the adapters. Process today, pretty easy. Will it get done pretty easily? It remains to be seen. But like I said, the goal today, we got one goal. We're gonna piss off the neighbors. All right, so let's give you guys a cold start of the dump before the tip. As you guys can see, it's just the open tip right there. Cold start. We don't want it to get too hot because Shamar's got a weld on there. And I don't want him to burn his little fingers. But we do have to do a little bit of modifications today. The exhaust dump that we bought's like a 45-degree angle, and it's got like the slanted cut on the end of it. So Shamar had to run and grab the Sawzall because we're gonna have to cut a flat into it so we can weld this on. That's his goal right now. So once we get that cut and welded, we'll come back and we will put the tip on and we'll see how it sounds. I swear, they love anything Sawzall on the channel. I think
yes, because we're destroying shit.
Yeah, I think it doesn't matter what we do, they love the Sawzall.
Now, all right, let me see what kind of angle I have to get at here. Because I don't want to nick any lines, so it's gonna be kind of weird.
Do you need a Sharpie to kind of draw out a line?
Yeah, that'll work.
All right, hold on. Sharpie will fix everything. Sharpies, zip ties, duct tape, Sawzall. It's all you need in life. Literally all you need. Oh, it's beautiful. Even though, oh, there's a... I think even though there's that flat spot on the bottom, we should be okay though.
I don't know, hand me the thing.
You think we should try and bend it a little bit?
Right there. Oh.
Should we try and bend it in a little bit?
No, I'm gonna have to cut it again. I'm gonna have to cut it one more time.
Cut it closer?
Yeah, a little bit closer.
Damn, okay.
I know.
I was getting so excited. That'll work.
I can't hear anything.
That'll work. You should have saw, I had to turn the camera when I play it back and you see your face while you were doing that.
I can probably know what I was doing. I wasn't trying to get metal shavings in my eye.
It was pretty funny though. Shadero!
Hit it 2 times with the basic.
Hey, first podcast on Tuesday.
Oh yeah. Y'all get ready.
Shamar hasn't heard it. What do you think it's gonna sound like? You think good or bad? What do you think?
It's gonna sound like this, dick.
I think it's gonna sound pretty good. Oh, get in there. Ooh, get in there.
Gotta, you know.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Can I get a?
Oh yeah. More than it was before, right?
Yeah, it's definitely lower than it was. That's a tight fit. Everybody likes a good tight fit, huh?
Oh, she's definitely tight.
She's tight.
I'll have to manhandle this hoe.
That's a big ass tip. It's like you're having to like use your whole arm to get around it.
I know.
My neighbors are gonna hate me.
Dude, I think that's as much as I'm gonna be able to get that shit on there.
Look inside, how far is it in? As long as it's an inch or two, we should be able to tighten it down and it'd be okay.
I don't wanna go too crazy.
It'll be fine. Are we good? I think we're good.
It's like a damn, what do you call those things? Like fucking gong?
Hell yeah. Here we go. This is it. Moment of truth. Ready?
Oh yeah.
That's it right there, baby.
That thing. Oh god, here come the cops.
That clicking sound that you hear, it's the wheel light hitting the spindle.
What did you do?
Got this, bud. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the way that it sounds? Is it Not very much different. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Do you guys like it? Should we do something even more crazy? Do you think this is gonna mess with the neighbors enough? I mean, we drove it up and down the street a couple times, and I think cranking this up at like 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning is enough to mess with the neighbors anyway, but we'll see how it goes. This is the first of many attempts. So
Yeah, just wait.
yeah, hers is louder too. Yeah, when I get rid of the cats, that's gonna be pretty crazy. Hey, I appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
Y'all go follow my damn.
Oh,
We need to make you an Instagram. God, I keep almost saying it. Hey, make sure you guys, new podcast coming next week. That's all I'm gonna tell you. I'll see you guys next time. Follow my boy on Instagram. My boy's got an Instagram. What's up? Hey.
Titi, speak.
Hey.
Oh, he's shy. Look at him.
He's a good boy.
Are you hungry?
Let's get this bread. Yeah, he's hungry. Like and subscribe. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.